click connect wallet, it will display some wallet available for you to connect, even Telegram wallet. So you can choose to connect using Telegram wallet. Every one of you that have Telegram account, you also have wallet. If you click the three bar by the top left hand side of your Telegram page, you see the wallet there. So once you click the ×2 that you can see here, this, if you click it like this, for example, me now, it will not ask me to connect wallet again because I've already connected my Telegram wallet. So once you connect your wallet, it will require you to buy this particular, what that means is they want you to buy this booster. The function of the booster is to ×2 of anything you have in your Tapswap balance. So for example, it will cost you 1 ton. Once you buy this 1 ton, you see, double your shares balance with this limited time offer, available only once. Once you buy it with 1 ton, whatever you have, it will be ×2. For me, I've connected my wallet. And if you don't want to do this, if you connect your wallet and you go to booster, you are going to see the first thing now, boost ×2. You see boost ×2, this one here, you see boost ×2, and the cost is 0.5 ton. If you click it, they will ask you to confirm the payment from the wallet you connected. That means you must have transferred ton to that wallet, especially ton space. That is what they use. If you transfer ton to that wallet, you can use your ton space address, or if you transfer ton, just ton to that wallet, you can convert it to ton space. Then you can use 0.5 of it to purchase this. What does that mean? Is that once you buy this boost ×X, it means anytime you tap, for example, my own tapping will bring out 12. So since I bought this boost, once you tap it, it will be ×2, and your boat also will be ×2. If your boat is bringing out 5 in every second, once you buy this times boost ×2, whenever your boat start working, it will bring out 10. If you look at my tapping now, it's 24. It was usually 12 before, but because I bought this, now for you to have this tool in your wallet, you need to use any app where P2P is allowed. For example, you can use Bybit. In Bybit, if you register on Bybit, verify, you can buy USDT from the P2P section because they have not bound the use of Naira in Bybit. So you can buy maybe USDT to buy ton from there. So this is how you go to the P2P section on Bybit. You can click on P2P like this, and then you will see it will open. You type, I can do a video on this to show you how to buy USDT. Then the USDT you buy, you use it to buy ton. Then as you can see, this is the page. This is where you can buy USDT in Naira. Look at the price, 2,000, 8,000 and above, like that. I actually said this already. I just bought a little to buy ton so that I can purchase what I purchased. So that is it. So when you buy ton, you can come to your wallet, your Telegram wallet that you connected to this Tapswap. Go and copy the receiving address of your ton here. Then go back to the exchange where you bought the ton, then transfer it to the Telegram wallet. Then you can use it to buy this boost. For now, if you want to actually buy the boost to follow the process, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will guide you, do a video on how to purchase ton and transfer also to your Telegram wallet, so you can use it to buy this boost. Okay, so that is just all. I know some of you want to know what the ×2 is all about, so I've taken time to explain that. So if you want to connect using your Telegram wallet, for example, let me go to Telegram. So every one of you on Telegram, if you click this 3 dots here, you will see wallet here. Click the wallet and wait for it to load. Waiting for it to load. Click the wallet, everyone, so you can set up the wallet. There are some things that they ask for your email. Once you set it up, so if you look at my own, if you want to send ton to this wallet, you can click on the ton space like this, then deposit. You can copy the address like this, then go to where you buy tone and transfer, or you can directly click on this add crypto, external wallet, then click on tone, then copy this address, go to where you buy the tone, then transfer it. But once you transfer this one like this, there's a need for you to swap it to this tone space. That is what you can use to buy from the Tapswap page. You can always do the transfer. Anyway, if you need help, you can let me know. So that is all. Thank you very much for your time. Let me go back to my